Hi there, Tommy.
Hi Bob. What's up?
Well, I'm ready to go to Zaragoza Activa. Today's Wednesday.
Oh, you are right. Today at 18:30 we have a speaking session.
Yes, that's right. We join other people from all over the city and speak English.
Yes, this is a nice way to practice your English, learn new things and make some friends.
Remember, today's topics are Ireland, traveling around and its nature. Have you Googled some information on this?
Well, I am about to. I am a bit nervous, you know.
Don't worry. People are cool and the teacher is helpful. See you there.
Okay buddy. See you there. Bye.